Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave those thumbs up. That greatly helps my channel. Please leave me a comment down below so I can say hi to you. And let me go ahead and get started with the deals. This week, some more deals this week at Walgreens. I have already posted three videos, I believe. So go ahead and watch those if you haven't done so. And let me go ahead and go over. This deal is on the Bounty products, the Charmin products. We're going to be able to make out for an awesome deal. On top of that, we're going to be able to get a rebate, which is still available. Believe it or not, it's still available. So please leave me those thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below so I can say hi. That rebate is still available, it's still going on through April 1st. So make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll leave a link in the description box below and in the first comment. So these here are $5.99 this week in store, $5.99 for the Bounty, the 6 equals 8. You may also pick up the Charmins, which are the 4 equals 16. I picked up the red ones there, the Mega Rolls, Ultra Strong. They do have the Bounty green bag, or whatever you call that. Green label, it's the 2 equals 5. If you want to pick those up, those are also available. So pick up whichever ones you need, whichever ones you like. I was trying to get 4 of the Bounty Essentials, but as you can see here, I picked up one of the Charmins because they ran out of the Essentials. That's okay. I picked up 3 of these here, the yellow packs, the Bounty Essentials, and one of the Charmin Ultra Strong toilet paper Mega Rolls. So that was $5.99 for the Charmin as well. So like I said, you pick up whatever you need for you and your household. I'm just giving you the example of what I got and how I did this purchase. Let me get my receipt and I'll go ahead and show you my receipt and I'll show you what I got back. Here's my receipt. As you can see there, 3 $5.99 Bounty Charmin Essential were rung up. That's $17.97. One of the Bounty Essentials were rung up and the Charmin was rung up at $5.99. As you can see there, I did have a 25-cent coupon for the Bounty. Clip that coupon in your Walgreens app. Make sure you clip it or ticket. My total here was $23.71 for the purchase of 4. I hope you guys are able to see that, $23.71. But as you can see there, I used $20 in Walgreens cash to pay for this. I paid $3.71 out of pocket. I used $20 for all of these. Has anybody noticed that some of these products are shrinking? I believe some of these products are shrinking. Let me know what you think. But I think some of these are shrinking. They seem a little bit smaller than what I remember. Especially that one right there, the Charmin. I don't know. Or is it just me? Maybe I just need new glasses. Anyhow, let me know what you think. Look at this one here. It looks miniature compared to the other ones, right? So yeah, pick these up this week. When you buy 4 this week, the deal is buy 4, get a $5 register reward, PNG register reward that's going to print out at checkout on the purchase of 4. So here's my receipt again. And here is my reward. I had to fold out the edges. I know a lot of people are like, why don't you show the whole thing? I've had people tell me that people use them, they scan the phone, or for some reason, I don't know what they do. They take a screenshot of this and scan the phone. But anyway, I'm not trying to show all of my business. This is what it is. It's a manufacturer coupon for the purchase of 4 of these Charmin or Bounty products. You pick whichever ones you need for you and your household. Don't forget to leave those thumbs up so I could continue bringing you these types of videos, friends. I think it was a pretty good deal. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think about this. Also, we're going to be submitting our receipt to pggoodeveryday.com. Like I said, I'll leave that link down below in the description box and in the first comment, so you guys are able to go and do this deal. We have a PNG rebate for the purchase of these products. $20 or more, you'll get back $5. If you spend $50 or more, you'll get $15 back. So make sure you go over there, submit your receipt. Oh, excuse me. Submit your receipt. It's bright and early here. And you'll be getting a Visa gift card through the mail. They send you the Visa gift card through the mail. There's a limit of 2 per household. So you're going to be submitting this receipt. Do not lose the receipt. Do not throw it away. Use it and submit it on the website. It's pretty easy. You just take a picture of it, register online for pgeveryday.com if you haven't done so. Take a picture of the receipt. You're going to log in. You're going to submit your receipt and boom, done. It's going to send you a $5 Visa gift card in the mail within 4 weeks, I believe it said. And there's a limit of 2 rebates per household. I had already done one prior, couple weeks ago. And I used my Visa gift card to buy my Dunkin' Donuts. Don't tell anybody. Anyway, let me move these out of the way. I do have another purchase I want to go over that glitched on me. Let me move these out and I'll go over the next deals. Oh my God. Come on, Mini Charmin. For some reason, to me, it seems like it's much smaller. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's my glasses. Okay, push these back and I'll get the other bag. Here we are. Look at this bag. It's ripped and they charged me 7 cents for it. Anyway, Walgreens, get better bags. So the next deal that I'm going to talk to you about is on the Olay body wash products. The Olay products are $7 this week. If you want to go ahead and pick these up, you can get the body wash, or you may pick up the bar soaps or beauty bars. I believe they call beauty bars. These are $7 each this week. That's $14 for 2. We have a $1 off coupon, digital coupon in the Walgreens app that you're going to be able to use on the purchase of 2, bringing your total down to $13. When you buy 2, you're supposed to be getting a $4 register reward on the purchase of 2. What I did here, I'm trying to get my receipt in a minute. What I did here is I rolled $4 from a prior purchase to this one, and I'll show you what happened. Let me show you what happened to my transaction. Let me move these out of the way. You already saw the 2 Olays anyway. It's hard recording in the car, guys. It is very difficult recording in here and trying to set up so you guys could see everything. Okay, let me get the receipt. Here is my receipt. I purchased 2 of these at $7 each. Let me fold over the parts that shouldn't be seen. Okay. There we are. Suspenseful music in the background. You see my shadow folding everything back there? Okay. So like I said, I used the store coupon to pay for this from a prior purchase. So make sure you keep that in mind. Here's my receipt. My total was $14 on the purchase of 2. I used a $4 coupon or store coupon from last week. I paid $10 out of pocket, $10 in cash or out of pocket. I paid that out of pocket for this purchase for 2 of these. I was supposed to be getting back a $4 register reward, but unfortunately, I did not get one. It did not print out. Oh, no. And I believe the reason that I didn't get those $4 was because I used that store coupon to purchase them or to get this transaction. So that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be calling customer service and I'm going to find out if they're able to credit my account for $5. Hopefully they do. If they don't, that's okay. I've always been getting great deals at Walgreens. I'm okay with losing $4, but I'm really not okay with losing $4 because I need my money. Walgreens better have my money. So go ahead and pick up your Olay products if you need them this week. It's not the best deal, but if you need them this week, I mean, it's a pretty good deal if you get your $4 register reward printed. Make sure you get that printed before you leave the store. Do not leave that register until you have that register reward in hand along with your receipt. These were the glitching products this week. For some reason, I purchased 2 of these whole blends, and I'll go over why it glitched and everything in a minute. I got 2 of these whole blends shampoos. I picked all shampoos this week. 2 whole blend shampoos. These are 2 for $8 this week. We have a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens app. Clip that coupon, $3 off, making that $5 for 2. $5 for two of these. On the purchase of two, we're getting back a $4 register reward that will print out at checkout. You need to pay these separately in order, or these two, or you need to purchase two at a time, separate transactions, like I'm going to show you, in order for your $4 register reward to print out. Okay. What glitched or what surprised me was the fact that I had multiples of the same coupon in my Walgreens app. I believe I had two of the whole blends, two of the Garnier fruit teas. Those were the ones. I had 2 and 2. So I did this purchase 4 different times. So let me go ahead and get my receipt. Here we are. Here's the receipt. As you can see there were 2 for $8. I used a $3 coupon, digital coupon, and brought my total down to $5 altogether out of pocket. I did pay out of pocket, which is fine. You could pay with cash rewards, but sometimes when we do that, it messes up the system. So I'd rather not. I just paid with cash, and I got back my $4 register reward, making 2 shampoos 50 cents each, which is not a bad deal. 50 cents for a Garnier Whole Blend shampoo is a very, very good deal, I believe. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. So the next deal I got was on the Garnier fruit teas. The Garnier fruit teas, let me go ahead and show you that. So I picked up 2 of the Garnier fruit teas, pure and clean. Here's 1, here's 2. 2 of these, they're the same price, 2 for $8. Like I said, I had multiple coupons of the same product, so I was able to purchase them multiple times, and I was able to get $4 register reward multiple times. So I got 2 Garnier fruit teas. That was $8. I had a $3 off digital coupon. I paid $5 out of pocket, $5, and I got back $4 in register reward, making my total purchase $1 or 50 cents each, which is not a bad deal for shampoo again. If you're not getting in on these shampoo deals, make sure you guys are getting in on these shampoo deals. Clip all of the coupons that you have available in your app so you don't lose out on these deals, okay? So let me go ahead and show you my receipt for this one. Here we are, 2 for $8. I used my $3 coupon. Hopefully you guys are able to see this. And I paid, sorry about that. I paid $5 out of pocket and got back my $4 in register reward, making 2 of these $1 or 50 cents each. This is how the register reward looks. And it is a store coupon. Make sure you keep that in mind. It's a store coupon. Do not worry. I have another video coming up. I'm going to show you how to use your store coupons to get food. You don't need to purchase more stuff that we don't need. We're going to be getting food with these store coupons. We're going to be rolling our register rewards to make a food purchase. So let me continue. I'll show you the rest of them. Like I said, this was done multiple times. So I'll show you the rest of the items that I got, and I'll mention a couple things towards the end of this video. Here's 2 more. Like I said, I had another $3 coupon for Garnier fruit teas. Got back my $4, and I paid $5 out of pocket, making 2 of these, again, 50 cents each. I picked up 2 more of the whole blends. Let me go ahead and show you. These are the other ones I picked up, coconut water whole blends. And again, the same deal, $3 off. Like I said, I was so surprised that I had 4 $3 off coupons. I couldn't believe it. Leave those thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. So let me go ahead and continue. Now the next deal that I got was on these Axe body wash. Axe body wash are $5.99 this week. They're $5.99 in my store. And I had a $5 off coupon on the purchase of 2. So basically what I did is I picked up 2 of these, $5.99 each. I paid $11.98 for 2, minus the $5 off coupon. That was $6.98. I was supposed to be getting a $4 register reward printed, but I'll tell you what happened. It did not print on this purchase for whatever reason. It did not print, but I'll tell you what the solution was here. Here's my receipt. As you can see, the $5 off came off. There were 2 for $11.98. $5 off came off on that. Paid $6.98 out of pocket. I was supposed to get back $4 in register reward. It did not print, but the manager or the cashier called the manager over, and I went ahead and explained to her what the deal was, and they were able to accommodate I was supposed to get one of these. These are the register rewards. But again, it didn't print out on this purchase. Let me show you what they did. The manager came over and she was able to give me points for my register reward that didn't print on this purchase. That was fine with me. She asked me if it was okay for her to give me $5 instead of $4 since her register didn't have a $4 button. She pressed the $5 one and I said, I am more than okay with that. If you want to press the $10 button, I will take it. Who doesn't like free money, right? You're getting it, right? She gave me an extra dollar. I'll take it. So she gave me $5 extra or $5 in cash reward for this purchase since my register reward did not print out. So here's my first haul for this week. Don't forget to leave those thumbs up, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.